David on the People's Daily OGT 25 UHF, and we're now on the discussion segment of today's program. We are looking at poverty eradication and agriculture, how we can actually eradicate poverty in our land through food security. And this morning we have actually we're combining the town and the gown. We have in the studio a professor from the Federal University of Agriculture here in Abeokuta, and of course in the studio. Let me welcome them to the studio. First, we have Professor Akin Omotayo, former director of the Institute of Food Security, Environmental Resources and Agri-Research at FUNAP here in Abeokuta. Prof, good morning.
Good morning.
It's a pleasure to have you.
Nice to be with you.
And we have Mr. Tosin Edu, an integrated farmer. He's also joining us this morning. Mr. Edu, good morning.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
So much.
Good morning, viewers.
Ẹ̀ka tí a ti dé yìí náà ló jẹ́ abala tí a ti máa mú kókó ọ̀rọ̀ sọ èyí tí a máa sọ lówùúrọ̀ ọ̀tànjọ́ tòní ó tún jẹ́ eléyìí tó jẹ́ pé ó máa tún ṣe gbogbo wa láǹfààní tí a bá ń sọ nípa ohun tí kò ṣe má ní ọkàn náà ló jẹ́ o torí pé tí ewé oúnjẹ bá ti wọnú iṣẹ́ ó ti bù ṣe báwo ni a ṣe lè ṣe ìpamọ́ àwọn oúnjẹ wa àti pé báwo lóúnjẹ ṣe lè pọ̀ jaburata sí láwùjọ ní pàtàkì bá tún ṣe wọnú ọdún 2019 èyí ni kókó ohun tá a máa mú sọ torí náà àwọn àlejò wa gbàǹkangbè wọ́n ti wà nínú ilé wọn ò kì í ṣe àmọ̀ fún gbogbo wa nínú ilé níbí a ti ní ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n Akin Ọmọ́táyọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ti ṣe olùdarí tẹ́lẹ̀ fún ẹ̀ka tí ó ń làkàkà láti ṣe ààbò àti ìfẹsẹ̀múlẹ̀ ìpèsè oúnjẹ yanturu láwùjọ yẹn nílé ẹ̀kọ́ ńlá FUNAP tó wà nílùú Abẹ́òkúta wọ́n ti darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lówùúrọ̀ yìí akójúmọ́ ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n
ẹ káàárọ̀ olóòtú.
ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀. Bákan náà akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ ni wọ́n ká bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ délédélé wọ́n mọ̀ dókodóko wọ́n mọ̀ dáradára ní pàápàá torí pé ohun tí wọ́n fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni ọ̀gbẹ́ni Tósìn Ẹ̀dùn àwọn náà wà nínú ilé níbí akójúmọ́ bàbá wa ẹ kú iṣẹ́.
ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ̀yin inú anílé mo kí n pé ẹ káàárọ̀.
àwọn náà dáhùn ó yá yóò làbí.
Let's start with you, Prof. This topic presupposes that food has actually gone beyond what we just consume to live. It's become something that can also sustain our economy and that can actually make us grow as a nation. Now let's look at it from the global perspective first and foremost. Will you say Nigeria is moving in the right step towards using food security to eradicate poverty in the land?
Thank you. It's very difficult to say that we are moving in the right direction, because moving in the right direction is a combination of so many things. We have policies in place which is very good. We have actions which we are supposed to pursue, very good. But do we match all these policies and actions with the resources to accomplish them? That is the question. For instance, the budget for this year allocates just about 81 billion naira for the agricultural sector, as against the 203 that was allocated in the 2018 budget. And it is still less than 2% of the whole budget. And when you look at this and you look at the requirements in that sector, if you want to make agriculture to drive the economy in this country, we have to be very serious about funding of the sector. So to that extent, I would want to be careful in saying that we are moving in the right direction.
Does that mean that government is also not aware? Because you painted a picture of a reduction in the budget of 2018-2019.
Exactly.
And certainly Nigeria as a country, Nigeria is a country that is known all over the world.
Yes.
As a country that has the potential for agriculture. So why do you think government should do that rather than increase allocation that should go to the sector? They've reduced it.
Well, I think it depends on the level of understanding of how important that sector is. We keep voicing it, we keep mouthing it, that we want agriculture to drive the economy. But we are not providing adequate resources to make agriculture the center of the Nigerian economy. Now, there are so many things associated with agriculture. It is the only sector that can absorb a large number of people for employment. There is no other sector in the country. It is the only sector that can actually drive industrialization. It is also the only sector that can get people, galvanize people into wanting the economy to move forward. Unfortunately, we don't seem to understand the requirements and the needs of that sector. And that is why it appears government has been paying lip service to the funding, to supporting activities in that sector. We are talking about unemployment. It keeps going up. People are coming out of school. They are not finding suitable jobs. We are saying people should go into agricultural production. We are not providing sufficient incentive for them to stay on. A lot of people every year going into agriculture. They go into it, and as quickly as they go into it, they rush out because they find out that it is not as profitable, it is not as comfortable, and it is not as rewarding as they make it look like. I want to commend those of our farmers, just farmers who stay on. It is not that it is rosy, but they stay on because, particularly our traditional farmers and local farmers, they stay on because they don't have any other thing to do. They stay on because it is a means of survival, and they stay on not because of the profit they are making, but because they just have that instinct to continue to farm. Even those who put huge investments in that sector, you should be asking yourself, we hear about people embezzling billions of naira. Why are they not putting it into agriculture? They will prefer to go and buy luxury items, prefer to go into other areas, prefer to go into areas where they think they can multiply the money very, very quickly. Agriculture takes time. The process from investment in agriculture takes time, but on the long run, and when you do it right, when you do it big enough, you are likely to reap the benefits and the rewards for a very, very long time.
Mr. Tosin, as an integrated farmer, so Prof has painted a very sad picture of the situation with agriculture in Nigeria, and so it means people like you who have stayed in the sector, need to be commended. What has been your survival strategies?
Actually, let me just digress a bit before I move to. If you look at the issue of government's intervention into agriculture in Nigeria generally, if you look at it from the federal, state, and local government, we as farmers, we find out that government truly bringing what we call intervention programs to farmers. But there's a major challenge that we still are having, which is the middlemen. We call them political farmers. These are people that frustrate government efforts from making government intervention to get to farmers. You see, we have to balance things together, so that we'll be able to have a more profitable. If you look at, we want to eradicate poverty through food security. But the first thing we are still fighting, which we are still appealing to government, is how do we eradicate these middlemen? We call them political farmers. There are people that doesn't have really business with farming, but they hijack some of these government initiatives. They don't look at Central Bank, for instance, now insisted that when they want to deal with farmers under the Anchor Borrowers Program, they deal with farmers directly. No middlemen again. They sit with farmers. Farmers, this is what you need, get your input. This is what you need. They are not passing through some of this. If you look at what federal government did during fertilizer issues, fertilizer doesn't get to farmers directly because of what we call political farmers that hijack some of those programs and corner it to their relatives or whatever they want to do. So now find out that if you look at it generally, one will be thinking that, okay, government is not doing much. Government is doing. But the problem is that the channelization of those interventions does not get directly to we farmers. The
interventions in terms of funding, or I mean, you mentioned fertilizers. Why will I collect bags of fertilizers when I don't need them? this middleman you're talking about?
Now, let me you see, when we talk of interventions, it's in about 2-3 forms. One is in the finance.
Okay.
Basically, there's money at central bank for the anchor borrowers program. There's another thing we can say, maybe farmers may not be aware. There are billions there that are there for farmers. Because when people talk of finance, the only concentration is that maybe it's at Okemoson, until Okemoson gave them money. No, we are looking at the general financing that is available, the platform, which is the anchor borrowers program, which is by CBN, is the least expensive finance for farmers. Because if you go to any of these commercial banks, we are wasting your time. But the problem is the awareness among the local farmers. You see, take for instance, I was at a farm settlement at close to Ayetoro side some few days ago, and majority of these local farmers are not even aware that there's money at central bank they can collect as cooperative groups. So they keep on saying that government is not doing anything, but the problem is that the awareness is not there. So sometimes before we crucify government, before we crucify some of these things, we have to understand our farmers, are these things brought to their doorstep for them to be aware? Do they know that at Anchor Browser program the digit is less than 10%? Do you know that there are other programs that they call it admins under CBN, that you can borrow loan as a farmer that want to go into fabrication, into manufacturing? Maybe you are producing cassava now and you want to go into addition. I get one, and maybe you want to go into processing. You can obtain a loan up to 10 million with just 5% interest, and these things are not there.
Who is to blame?
It's a combination.
Is it still not government? Because in terms of, because some people are very quick to always say, oh, the media is not doing enough and all of that. But again, sometimes the media may not even be aware that such programs, intervention programs, are also available.
Yes, you see, it's on both sides. I first of all blame the farmers, because you see, you can't sit at your comfort zone and expect things to come and meet you there. You see, I've been advocating for farmers that, you see, when they work individually, they always have problems. But when you come as a group, I get to understand, and you are a kind of cooperative body, a farmers cooperative society now, it's easier for you to access some informations. But I met those people close to Ayetoro there, and they are just in isolation. And I told them that you first of all have to come together here. You need to come to a platform where you can be able to access some of this information. That is number one. Then two, you see, we have issues of using agricultural information, holding that information. People believe that if some people, when they have access to this information, they will come and abuse or do whatever. But where we have the major problem is government need to push much of awareness to farmers, that when we talk of this eradication of poverty through food security, when farmers don't know what they can attain, what they can get from government, they become deformed, and that will be a big challenge.
Before Turana comes in, Prof, I want you to come here. This is federal government money, Mr. Tusedo has actually told us, which is always available. Now, why can't federal government also, trickle down the money, probably bring in state governments and let them know that, oh, this money is available, and then use them as a vehicle to actually reach the grassroots, just like you said, grassroots. Ayetoro is grassroots.
I don't want to disagree with him completely about information to farmers. Farmers are aware of Anchor's borrower program by the CBN. In fact, like never before, farmers have organized themselves. They have commodity groups. They are part of All Farmers Association of Nigeria. They are part of different groups like that. And this information is available through these groups. But when you see the conditions for accessing those loans, you'll find out that except when a group of people, a group of farmers actually are very, very solid in terms of savings. They have to open accounts in certain banks. For instance, the Bank of Industry, apart from the central bank, the Bank of Industry also has loans for farmers. But they have to open accounts in certain banks, and they have to be facilitated by somebody who is knowledgeable about these things. I happen to be involved somehow with a group of farmers from Oyo North and from part of Ogun State who are organizing themselves on their own. I did not even know that there is Bank of Industry loan meant for them, apart from the Anchors Borrowers Program from the CBN. They know about, many of them know about this. The serious farmers.
What about the role of education here?
What we are saying is that the structures are in place. Government has some structures in place. We have the ADPs, the Agricultural Development Programs. We have, under the ADPs, we have subject matter specialists. We have extension agents at the grassroots level. Apart from organizing them, apart from educating them, they train them on a monthly basis. It used to be on a fortnightly basis. They train them, provide information. So a lot of farmers are aware. That group of farmers you are talking about may not be aware because they have not keyed into the government structure that is in place. It is not entirely, it's not entirely, the problem has some structures in place. If anybody is working with the State Agricultural Development Program, which is the statutory structure for delivery of what we call extension services across the country, they will know about this. The information is there. It's only those who fail to key into that structure that are not aware. But there are things they have to do for them to access those funds. It's true there is a lot of money, but the conditions also are there for them, for farmers to fulfill. The money is not just there for the asking. It's not that everybody who goes there just picks it up. And it is not given to individual farmers because of the need to recover. That is why groups and cooperatives are usually the ones that actually access the loans on behalf of farmers.
Ajé mú láti ọ̀dọ̀ Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ẹdùn ní ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn wo ìpèsè oúnjẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀nà láti lé ìṣẹ́lúgbẹ̀, àwọn ọ̀nà wo la fẹ́ gbà nípa ìpèsè oúnjẹ wọn?
Ṣé ọ̀nà àkọ́kọ́ tá máa ń kọ́kọ́ ṣàlàyé ni pé ètò iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ó ti ju pé ọkọ́ àti àdá lọ. Ó ti tó àsìkò kò jẹ́ pé láti lè jẹ́ káwọn àgbẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń pè ní mechanization of mechanized farming, tẹ́ pé a máa lo katakata láti fi ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Ṣé rí bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ ìta bá ní pé àwọn tó kàn ń roko bíi plot méjì plot mẹ́ta tó ń gbin iṣu tó kàn ń gbá pẹ̀rẹ̀ méjì mẹ́ta wá sí ọjà, a lè léṣe gbogbo ní nǹkan tí à ń ṣàlàyé. Ó ti tó àkókò ní ìsìtẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ à ń ṣàlàyé pé dídáko sílẹ̀ nísìn a gbọ́dọ̀ rí pé ó ju pé à ń lo ọkọ́ àtàdá lọ. Tẹ́ bá wo mo ṣàlàyé kankan lórí ètò ìtẹ́lẹ̀ máa ń ṣàlàyé pé ṣe ní ilẹ̀ Haúsá lọ́hùn àwọn ò ní ìpèníjà táwọn ní bíbá nípa iṣẹ́ ọ̀gbìn lọ́hùn yẹn wọn ò ní nǹkan tó igi òpọ̀ nínú igbó wọn, so katakata lè ṣe éka bíi 100 tí kò ní nǹkan kan. But ní ọ̀dọ̀ wa níbi south west bíbá igi pọ̀ bíbá ó dẹ̀ ní ìdí pé ìjọba kọ́kọ́ ṣe ní ìsìn pé ìṣẹ́nà kọ́kọ́ máa ṣe nǹkan tó ń pè ní land clearing. Ẹ̀lẹ́ fi rí pé ìjọba gọ́fúnà Bukola Amusu wọ́n lọ ra àwọn bulldozer bíi 6 tẹ́pọ̀ náà kọ́kọ́ fi clear lẹ́ pé láti wò pé tọ́mà kọ́kọ́ clear gbogbo lẹ́yìn lọ katakata kò lè ṣiṣẹ́. So ọ̀nà àbáyọ tá a kọ́kọ́ sọ lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé láti jẹ́ pé kí iṣẹ́ ìkálẹ̀wọ̀gbọ́n nípa ọ̀rọ̀ kí oúnjẹ pọ̀ ní pípé ká fi iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ká kúrò nídìí pé à ń lo ọkọ́ àtàdá ká bọ́ sí di tóní katakata. Torí ní katakata yẹn ló lè jẹ́ kí oúnjẹ pọ̀, ló lè jẹ́ kí ìwọ̀nba nǹkan tó ẹ bá wo nísìn gbogbo àwọn tó fẹ́ bọ́ sí irú àwọn èèyàn tí máa pa ọkọ lọ nísìn, bọ̀dẹ́ bá débẹ̀ nísìn òkú tẹ́lómi ń pa ohun tó máa pa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò ju pé kó mọ́ àwọn tó máa lébra bóyá kọ́kàn roko kọ́kàn fọwọ́ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ rí pé ibi táwọn yẹn máa lọ kò lè tó. So tó máa gbé nǹkan tó ń gbìn náà máa gbé dọ́jà ó máa wọ́n làwọn máa sọ pé nǹkan ṣe wọ́n bọ̀ tí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé tí àyè bá lè wà jẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ tá a bá bọ́ sí de oní katakata tẹ́ pé yẹn ń ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ pé ó jẹ́ nǹkan tẹ́ pé oúnjẹ á pọ̀ nǹkan tó lè ṣe ní nǹkan irú nísìn irú oko kan táwọn kan máa ro tí wọ́n máa kó ebè fún bíi ọjọ́ 2 sí 3 fún ọjọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ kan katakata ṣe lọ́ndà ní bíi wákàtí 1 sí 2. So tí a bá lè ṣètò yẹn a rí pé nǹkan ètò àgbẹ̀ nǹkan tí a fẹ́ di ìṣẹ̀ àlewọ́gbó àwọn táwọn pè ní pé nǹkan tẹ́ pé nǹkan wọ́n yẹn àwalẹ̀.
Ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́sọ̀ yìí ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ń wọ̀n gbà tó jẹ́ pé tá a bá lo katakata tá a lo àwọn ẹ̀rọ ìgbàlódé náà ló máa jẹ́ pé kí ìpèsè oúnjẹ kó lè pọ̀ bá a ṣe ń fẹ́ ṣáàtì ẹ̀ láwọn ohun èlò wọ̀nyí tó.
Ara àwọn wàhálà táwọn àwọn àgbẹ̀ tó máa ń dojúkọ àbí tó ń dojúkọ wọn nìyẹn. Ní Ogun State a ní Agro Services Division tí àwọn àgbẹ̀ ti lọ ń gba katakata láti wọ́n háyà láti fi ṣiṣẹ́. Àwọn àgbẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan tán lówó gidi wọ́n rẹ́ni tó ní katakata tán tún máa ń fi fún àwọn àgbẹ̀ yòókù láti ṣiṣẹ́ bọ́kó tó. Problem tó wà ní pé time tí wọ́n máa ń demand fún katakata is the same time ìgbà kan náà ni lọ́dún and gbogbo àwọn tó ní díẹ̀ ní time yẹn gbogbo wọn kì í ní access mo sọ̀rọ̀ tí èdè
ìgbò kan yọ wọn lè rí lò lásìkò tó fẹ́ lò ó.
Ìdí nìyẹn tó fi jẹ́ pé à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa kí bọ́jẹ̀tì ètò ìṣúná kó túbọ̀ lọ sókè sí kí irú àwọn katakata yẹn kó wà yanturu. Wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tá à ń pè ní number of iye àwọn èèyàn sí ẹyọ katakata kan ní Nàìjíríà. Mo rò pé iye àwọn èèyàn sí ẹyọ katakata kan ó fẹ́ lọ máa sí iye àgbẹ̀ tó ní access sí ẹyọ kan ó fẹ́ lọ máa lọ sí 200 èèyàn sí ẹyọ kan.
Igba èèyàn ló máa lè rẹ́yọ kan lò.
Exactly.
Iṣẹ́ oko awọ́lẹ̀ díẹ̀ o.
Whereas nírú America, India, China, Europe ó lè má ju gbogbo àgbẹ̀ ló ní America. Àgbẹ̀ kan ó lè ní bíi 10 ó lè ní bíi 5. Àgbẹ̀ kan ó lè ní access sí bíi katakata 2-3 ní àwọn ìlú India, ní China àti gbogbo ẹ̀. Ní China wọ́n tẹ̀ tún ní àwọn ẹ̀rọ tó yẹ pé kéékèèké ni à ń pè ní mi mọ bí mo ṣe lè sọ ní Yorùbá. Àwọn ẹ̀rọ tó yẹ pé ó ṣe é lò fún àwọn àgbẹ̀ kéékèèké tó yẹ pé wọn ò ní lọ síbi ti katakata tó tóbi. Kéékèèké yẹn ó wà available, ó wà affordable. Ìyẹn ni pé wọ́n á rí owó rà, wọ́n á lè máa maintain ẹ̀ láàrin ara wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n torí pé àwọn èèyàn pọ̀ lórí ẹyọ katakata kan níbí, tó bá ti tó time láti máa ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ gangan ní time tá à ń ṣe land preparation, gbogbo èèyàn ló máa ń lọ Agro Services. Gbogbo èèyàn ló ń lọ ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tó ní 2-3 and ìyẹn jẹ́ bí problem. But tí support bá wà fún àwọn farmers, ìgbà kan wà pé federal government tó try àti gbé owó sílẹ̀ tó yẹ pé ẹni tó bá ti ní iye kan báyìí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì á máa ṣe wọ́n á gbé tractor yẹn fún ẹ wàá rà máa san owó ẹ̀. Ìyẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ ní táìmù Adésínà, Akínwùmí Adésínà nígbà tó jẹ́ mínísítà.
Alákòóso fún iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀.
So ní tó jẹ́ mínísítà iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ nígbà yẹn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tó ló ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà yẹn tá à ń wò pé tá bá jẹ́ kó túbọ̀ máa tẹ̀síwájú ni ọ̀rọ̀ pọ́blẹ́mù àwọn àgbẹ̀ á ti máa dínkù díẹ̀díẹ̀. Táìmù yẹn à ń wo iye tó ń vóòtì fún iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ó lọ sókè díẹ̀ ju bí ó ṣe rí báyìí and títorí owó tí à ń fi sí ọ̀rọ̀ iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ó kéré ju bó ṣe yẹ. Àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ kó máa fi owó ṣe a lè ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. So in essence nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni pé àwọn àgbẹ̀ àwọn katakata tó wà kò tó fún un.
Ẹ ṣe ẹ jẹ́ àwọn sáré jù béèrè yìí sí ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ẹdùn. Ẹ ní gbogbo oríṣiríṣi ìrànwọ́ òun náà níjọba ń ṣe fáwọn àgbẹ̀ àfàgbẹ̀ tó bá sọ pé òun ò mọ bó ṣe ń lọ nílùú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe wá bójú wo iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ láti pèsè oúnjẹ. Ṣé ó mú èrè wá fún àgbẹ̀? Torí tá a bá jọ jókòó tá a jọ ń wò ó, bí ẹ̀yin tẹ wà nídìí ẹ̀ tẹ bá ń sọ, kóríyá lẹ máa ń ṣe wípé kéèyàn má káwọ́ gbéra kó lóhun ò tí ì ríṣẹ́, wípé ọ̀nà kan tó tún lè fi ríṣẹ́ tí iṣẹ́ tó tiẹ̀ tún rọrùn tó tún lè tún fi ṣèrànwọ́ fún aráàlú, òun ni iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ jẹ́. Ṣíṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ yìí ṣé ó ṣeéṣe fún ènìyàn? Torí tá a bá wò púpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ká yá owó ká ṣètò káràkátà, òun ni wọ́n dojúkọ. Ṣówó ṣe é yá láti sọ pé mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ mí rí ẹ̀ jáde gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìrírí àti iṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ìbéèrè a máa ń rán àwọn tó máa mú àwọn mú àti máa rí ìbéèrè báyìí tó máa ń jẹyọ. Ṣẹ̀rí kankan tí máa ń ṣàlẹ̀ fáwọn èèyàn ni pé ṣẹ̀rí iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ MMM tó yẹ pé bóyá akànjú sí nísìn ó dára ọjọ́ kejì.
Ó ti lé 20,000.
Ṣẹ̀rí a máa ń rí pé àwọn tí òun ṣàgbẹ̀ tẹ́ pé wọ́n kàn rí àwọn àti àjàgbẹ̀ tẹ́ pé ohun táwọn kàn fẹ́ ni pé owó yẹn làwọn ranjú mọ́. Ọ̀hún kọ̀ọ̀kan wo pé kí ni ibi tí mo máa kọ́kọ́ gbà tí a máa ń ṣàlàyé pé bá rí pé gbogbo àwọn iléeṣẹ́ tẹ́ pé tó jẹ́ àwọn àgbẹ̀ mi tẹ́ pé wọ́n ń ta fáwọn àbí wọ́n ń ta gbogbo ẹ̀ ní ìsẹ̀ rí pé àwọn yẹn tó ṣe wọ́n ní pé owó ló kọ́kọ́ wá wọn ò wá ìmọ̀ wá tẹ́tíṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ kì í ṣe MMM tẹ́ pé àkànṣe ṣẹ́rí nọ́mbà 1 tá a máa kọ́kọ́ ṣàlàyé fáwọn èèyàn ni pé ẹni bá fẹ́ wá sí iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ pé ó ní bá ṣe ń wọṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ owó kọ́ ni gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe àgbẹ̀ ìgbà míì ìmọ̀ because ẹlòmíì tó bá yẹ pé bíi onísìn àti wà nígbà tí ìgbà dry season la wà nísìn àti gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ pé kí nìkan tí ó tà nísìn tá a máa wá bẹ̀ but ẹlòmíì tó bá máa wá ó lè yẹ nígbà tó bá máa wá nísìn ó lè yẹ nígbà kílẹ̀ ló kàn máa lọ sí gbogbo nǹkan jọ a máa ń sọ fún wọn pé iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ìgbésẹ̀ wà fún tí ẹ pé ẹni tó bá fẹ́ ṣe àkọ́kọ́ wá bá àwọn tó wà ń dẹ nítorí a máa ń sọ fún wọn pé yíyọ tẹ́kùn yọ kì í ṣe pé bí tójó so tẹ bá rí àwọn bàbá ní tẹ́gbẹ́ ọkọ̀ ọ̀rán ṣe kí náà kí gbogbo àwọn náà gbọ́n ọmọ kan tó ń ti gbé nítorí ẹlòmíì akọ́ǹdé pé nítorí mo ti rí bí about 3-4 million 5 million kan akọ́ǹdé gbogbo àyìn ẹ̀tọ́ àwàdẹ́ ọ̀rá káwọ́ ara máa wọ̀ ókè ibi ẹja bá dẹ̀ bá dé o ẹ̀ wá bá wa ń bẹ̀ náà lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ máa rí gbọ́n gbá iṣẹ́ yóò pé àwọn bá ṣọ́kèjì gbọ́n àwọn gbó lé nǹkan kan ò ṣe gbá kan láwọn gbé bí wọ́n tẹ́ fi báwọ̀ owó bẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí wá bá wá bá pé báwo ni nǹkan ṣe lè ṣe sí báwo la ṣe lè gbé nǹkan tó máa yá àkọ́kọ́ a máa ń sọ fún àwọn pé iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé iṣẹ́ tó lérè lórí ni fẹ́ni tó bá lè ní sùúrù ẹ̀ nọ́mbà 1 a máa kọ́kọ́ wò kankan pé kẹ́ tó wá sí pé ẹ fẹ́ ṣe iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ máa kọ́kọ́ wò pé ìgbà wo ló yẹ kí n gbìn nǹkan tó yẹ kí n gbìn ìgbà wo ni kò yẹ kí n gbìn iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ náà ti máa ń sọ fún àwọn pé gbogbo akọ́lá gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbìn ẹ̀yin kan wà gbọ́dọ̀ wò pókè báwo la ṣe máa jí kìíní ìdá àwọn kan yẹn là ń pè ní processor tó ti bá ń kàn sọ iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ní sí gbogbo alẹ́ kan sọ pé à ń bẹ́ sóko wa ló ń gbìn nǹkan à ń pè nǹkan tó ń pa àwọn processor àwọn agbọ́gbọ́dọ̀ àgbẹ̀kọ̀ pé òkè irú àwọn kan ní ìṣẹ́ pé mo bá àwọn àgbẹ̀ kan tó ń gbìn tòmátò mo bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ làwọn sọ pé táwọn bá gbìn tòmátò tán pé ó máa ń bàjẹ́ ó máa ń ṣe pé mo ní n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní pé tẹ bá délẹ̀ Àbúṣà ní Bauchi wọ́n ti ṣe ìmọ̀ tẹ́ pé ẹ lè máa fi preserve tòmátò tẹ́ pé lè lo oṣù 7 sí 8 ìgbà tí mo dẹ̀ ṣàlẹ́ kíní fún wọn ó rò gbogbo àmà lọ ra kẹ́míkà kan tó pọ̀ kan ni wọ́n wá rí pé ìgò tí wọ́n máa fi ìgò lásán lọ́kàn máa rò tẹ́ pé wọ́n máa ti bọ́ni tó máa sè bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wọ́n jẹ́ kó sterilize tó máa rọ àwọn tòmátì yẹn sí tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ó ní mọ́ máa mo ṣe gbogbo ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn fún wọn tó rí pé ibo làwọn lè fà mo ní n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ náà nìyẹn pé n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ so ẹ bá rí iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ó poríṣiríṣi so anybody tó bá ń bọ̀ wọ́n tá máa kọ́kọ́ sọ fún wọn pé kọ́kọ́ tọ ẹni tó mọ̀ kọ́kọ́ tàn lọ kó má kàn sọ pé nítorí àwọn ti rí 4 billion naira kíní kan àwọn kan ń gbé bọ̀ tí ìlàjì wọn ní pé tó bá ti ń gbówó wọn bọ̀ àwọn máa ra fi wọ́n lẹ̀ àjẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣe gbogbo dán tó fẹ́ ṣe tán gbọ̀n mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ṣe ìgbà náà yìí máa bá wa pé ẹ̀yin ara bí ìbáàlẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe àní àrògbé bóyá ẹ ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ní kẹ́tó bẹ́ẹ̀ so iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tó lérè lórí ni fún ẹni tí ó bá lè sọ̀rọ̀.
For anybody watching us, or those that are watching us, they are likely to say, oh, what are they even talking about? Is farming not just about planting and waiting for and harvesting and all of that? Now let's look at other dimensions that has actually gone into agriculture and farming. There was a time a young man was here and he told us of that what you can do with pigs, livestock and all of that. There's still inadequate knowledge, of these among Nigerians. As an integrated farmer, tell us the amount of the possibilities, the different dimensions that has actually come into agriculture.
Now, one of the basic possibilities that have come in has to do with the integrated farming. You see, in farming, we let people know that you don't do monoculture, which is just that, okay, all I want to do is just to be doing maize. Because what happens is that when season of maize goes, you go hungry. So what we have advised people is to go into what we call integrated farming. That is the joy of farming. Take for instance now, this is dry season now. If you get to my farm now, I have vegetables. So as far as I'm concerned, soul and body is being kept. I have what can be generating money. So what we do is that if you are into
what keeps your vegetable going in the dry season?
If I have a fish pond,
okay,
I get what I'm trying to say. So automatically my wastewater from my fish pond is being used for my vegetable vegetable. I have poultry likewise. So whatever manure I get, I use it for the poultry purpose. So now finding that intelligently, I program my farming season. I know what to do. I know that, okay, once I get the poultry, this is where the money is going, and at every point in time I always have what we call money at my disposal. So the joy that has come to farming, the new innovations that have come to, is more has to do with integrated farming. We have been telling farmers, go for integrated farming. By that, if you are in the vegetable, you can go into poultry, you can go into fish, you can go into piggery, you can do all those things. So by the time you now find out at every point in time, there's something available for you to sell.
I need to emphasize the irrigation during dry season. This is dry season, and you're planting vegetables. Okay. Let's assume that you don't have a fish pond and you're planting vegetable in the dry season. How do you go about it?
Yeah, we have been able to come out with an innovative idea, which is very simple. Take for instance, maybe you want to go into planting of cucumber or ugu or whatsoever you do. You don't need to have big water to be able to wet your vegetable. All you just need to go and get these empty plastic bottles. Are you getting it now? You buy a liquid fertilizer, put water there, and just puncture the mouth with an hole, and put the plastic bottle beside, close to the cucumber stem that you plant. You now find out that for 4 or 5 days, you don't need to come here and wet. The drip of the water will be going down, and the nutrient that the plant needs will be supplied there.
And it will be enough?
It will be enough.
There is also
it will be enough.
There is also drip irrigation. Drip irrigation kits that can actually cover half a hectare, 2 acres, okay, or 1 acre. Now, drip irrigation is a technology that allows the adequate amount of water that a plant requires to drop that water just at the root zone of that crop. And the Israelis, that's what they use, and they have perfected it. In fact, fertilization is no longer about carrying fertilizer and putting it on at the base of the plant. It's about dissolving it in water and allowing it to get to the root zone, so that just the amount of fertilizer that is required goes with the amount of the water that is required, and it drops it at the root zone of the plant. The kit is relatively very cheap. There was an Indian company that was selling it in Lagos for 35,000 naira. There is Dizengov, which is an Israeli company that is selling one kit for about 80,000, which you can use over and over during the dry season for several years. So we have demonstrated this in Funa, and we are popularizing it. So, and let me say here, without irrigation, we can never be food sufficient. We have only 6 months of rainfall in the year, and during that 6 months, if we rely on rain-fed agriculture, we are going to continue to go hungry.
Let's go back to funding and the will, government will. If you interview an average governor in Nigeria today, and you say, "Oh, why are you spending so little on agriculture? Or why are you investing so little, on agriculture?" The governor will say, "Oh, I have so many competing demands. Health, I need to build security, I need to build infrastructure and all of that." Can you justify, as a professor of agriculture, can you justify the place of agriculture? Some people will say, "Oh, agriculture is primus inter pares, among all the sectors of society." Can you justify it?
Let me tell you something. we are looking at food security, and I keep saying, I've been saying it I've said it on this program before, that the southwestern part of this country is the most food insecure and is the most vulnerable to food insecurity. Look at what is happening in Kebbi State, in Kano, and so many other states in the north. There is, for instance, we are talking about rice here. Kebbi produces rice enough, not just for the population in Kebbi State, but also for other parts of the country. And if they are talking about preparing rice ready for export in the very near future. Just 2 days ago, I read in the newspapers that a rice milling factory in Kano that is capable of producing about 500 metric tons of rice per day. Okay, when you look at tomatoes, when you look at onions, when you look at all the other crops that we depend on in the southwest here, even yam, where we have comparative advantage in production, we are not encouraging farmers to produce. Okay, our own yam lasts for about 3 or 4 months in the year. All the yam wheat that is in the market now comes from the middle belt of this country, from Benue, from the FCT, and from other states around the middle belt of Nigeria. So any government that is not investing in agriculture is cheating itself. Let me explain why. We did a survey in FUNA about what percentage of the income of civil servants go into feeding the family. Is between 50 and 65%. If 50 and 65% of the income that goes to the civil servant is spent on food, what does it mean? That money goes to where the food comes from. And what does it mean? It means loss of revenue to that state. It means loss of revenue, not just in terms of money, in terms of capital flight to the areas where food is produced. Then the taxes that should even come into farmers as a result of production of food within the government loses it. So investing in agriculture is one of the ways of moving the economy of any state. The whole of Southwest is doing urban renewal. For the past 10 years, people have focused on urban renewal because Fashola did it in Lagos and succeeded. Lagos is different from every other part of this country. But could you believe that Lagos is also buying land in other parts of the country to support agriculture? Because
I mean, that's why they have Lake Rice.
Exactly.
They have to collaborate with
Lake
Kebbi.
Rice, they collaborated with Kebbi. They bring paddy from Kebbi and bring it to Lagos. Okay? What I'm saying here is that any government that does not focus on agriculture is shortchanging itself in terms of revenue that should accrue to that government. It's also shortchanging itself in terms of capital flight, the money that leaves that state to other states where food is produced. So it is very, very important for us to focus on agriculture.
We have to come back to you, Prof. Mr. Edu, now let's look at processing of farm produce in Nigeria. That's another scale entirely. Are we if we are not really getting the rudiments right, then I mean, is that not far-fetched? Is it not too far from us? If we are not getting rudiments right, processing too of our produce. I mean, all of these are also, factored on electricity, so many other things, so many other factors. Are we not just joking in Nigeria?
Actually, one of the basic challenges that farmers do have is their inability to further process their farm produce, because that is where the real big profit is. Because this is where we need to educate most of our farmers.
Yeah.
That you must take your production level to processing level. Take for instance somebody that is into fish farming now. Though you can sell it raw, but by the time you add value to it, which is value on the processing level, you maximize your profit. That's why we find out that most farmers do complain that there's not much. I was talking with a young graduate that was trying to go into cassava production there, and I told him that if you stay at the production level, you will not be able to make much profit too. That take your next level, go and start processing, and if possible package, and that's when you can make your money. Now what matters most is where we have been trying to tell farmers is that they must look for what we call indigenous way of processing. some of these things are capital intensive, and some of them there is a way that they can do this thing without huge capital. Take for instance now, the somebody that is into tomato. I told you that there's an indigenous way where tomato can be preserved. You know, like the one that they bring from northern states, the sun dry. We don't have that type of intensity of sun here. So we have to customize our solutions to the environment where we are. And I told them that, okay, this thing can be done, preserve these things, and just putting the tomato, it can last up to 6 months, which ideally, somebody else should see that one as another opportunity that, okay, if as a company, let me go to these farmers, organize them together, preserve this thing for me like this. When I need it, I'll just come and be picking it. So there should be a kind of synergy, both from the farmers that are producing, those that want to take their processing further, and those that will see it. You know, when we talk of government underfunding agri, I do tell people that for a smart businessman and a smart agripreneur, it's an opportunity for that person to make money, because he must go in and fill in the gap. That's why you find out that while we are crying that government is underfunding, all these foreign people are coming and they are smiling to bank because they find out that this is a gap for them to fill. They have brought in some of these small tractors that farmers can use. They are coming with innovative solutions for them, and we are sitting down and just say waiting for government. I told people, say there's a limit that government can go. It's time for we farmers also to take the bull by the horn and be able to arrest the situation by ourselves. Let's take further and start processing our farm produce. It is that you'll be able to do. I was speaking with a poultry farmer yesterday. I said, see, wait, you are rearing broiler. Apart from Christmas time, there's nothing for you to say. I say, in this your environment where you are here now, go and get a broiler, raise it for 6-5 weeks. Tell them that you are selling. They can be coming and be selling it at 4 weeks. Before they say, okay, can you help us to process it? Before you know, you get a stove or a gas, help them to process. You are making your money. That is value addition. So there's need for farmers to think outside the box and look at ways how they can further add value to their produce. Otherwise, all those smart guys will just come buy those things cheap from them, just put it inside carton. The same garri you are buying at Kuto at 150 naira per Congo, there are some people are buying it 1,200. What they just do is just to put it inside one carton and put it inside one nylon.
They make it glamorous.
They really and just put name there and they say Garri Plus or one bigger name there.
Made in China.
And the farmer in Oba and all those things will be at the farm and do like this. I say, well, not knowing that it's because somebody just come and buy the Garri at 150 and before you know, the thing is 1,200.
Mr. just spoke about customized solutions. Now, where is the role of the schools here? You're a prof in FUNAB. Apart from the fact that you channel graduates of agriculture every year, what are the practical solutions that a school like yours, should also be giving to the society?
We are doing our best in the area of training and the area of empowerment and the area of extension services. Although within limited resources, that's why you may not be hearing about what FUNAB is doing. There is a unit that's responsible for what we call extension outreach. We call that unit AMREC, Agricultural Media Resources and Extension Center. They actually train farmers pre-season. Before the season takes off, they train them not just in production, in processing, in packaging, and some of the things you are seeing outside, which some farmers are practicalizing. Some of those technologies were actually taken from FUNAB. For instance, we were talking about fufu. FUNAB pioneered the production of different kinds of fufu, dry fufu, okay, fufu in paste, and things like that. Packaging of fufu. FUNAB. There are other areas, even eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, packaging of eggs, packaging of some are even talking about into powder, which is in high demand by some people are talking about cassava. Okay, FUNAB industries around Ota, Songo, and those places.
Yeah.
Those who who use cassava for distill it into, those who use it for glucose, some of these technologies emanate from the universities, and some of them are actually facilitated by units and departments responsible for
what if FUNAB is doing all this?
Yes.
And you know, nationally we are not replicating this. You know, if in other states of the federation we are not seeing, for instance, if FUNAB is only addressing what FUNAB has been able to do, you know, addresses Ogun State or your maybe Lagos and you know, Ekiti.
Yes.
What about other parts of
we have mandate for the Southwest, but we can actually, with adequate resources, we can cover the entire country.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the resources are not there. Even we are not covering the our mandate states. Our mandate states covers up to Delta and Edo states, but we cannot even cover the Yoruba states alone. Okay, in terms of providing extension services.
That's another matter entirely.
Exactly.
ẹ jẹ́ ká wá sí apá ẹkùn gúúsù ìwọ̀-oòrùn wa ní bíbá yìí. Ọlọ́run jí kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan fún wa. Ilẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀, àwọn igbó lóríṣiríṣi tí a lè fi ṣe iṣẹ́ ọ̀gbìn, pípé ká pèsè oúnjẹ. Kí ló ń dá wa dúró? Yàtọ̀ sí wípé ìmọ̀ ẹ̀rọ o, bó bá tẹ̀ jọ́ pàtàdá yìí náà ni.
Ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bóyá iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ bóyá ó lérè lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí, as a farmer, even an integrated farmer, gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ integrated farmer, tó bá fẹ́ sọ òótọ́, tó bá ń kọ gbogbo owó tó ń ná sílẹ̀, kó máa kọ pé iye báyìí mo ná lérí fertilizer, iye báyìí mo ná lérí labour, iye báyìí mo ná lérí processing. At the end of the day, tó bá wo, a rí i pé profit ò sí níbẹ̀ lọ títí. Ìdí nìyẹn táwọn fún rush into farming, particularly àwọn tó lówó, wọ́n á rò pé tó bá ti fowó sí pé ó máa jáde lọ́pọ̀ yanturu. Tó bá ti lọ tán wò ó, tán dẹ̀ rí owó tán náà, tán rí nǹkan tó jáde, ìdí nìyẹn tó fi ń sá kúrò nídìí iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Kì í ṣe pé ní àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè míì, kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ tí àgbẹ̀ ń ṣe nìkan làgbẹ̀ fi lè dúró sínú iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ń ṣe àwọn nǹkan kan, irú ní Europe, ní America, gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ń sọ̀pọ̀tì àwọn àgbẹ̀ pẹ̀lú nǹkan táwọn pè ní subsidy. Subsidy yẹn ni pé tó bá ń ta nǹkan ní, tó bá ń ta fertilizer ní, tó bá dé pẹ̀lú 10,000 naira, ká gbé fàgbẹ̀ ní 3,000, so that at the time tó bá máa ṣiṣẹ́, tó bá máa jáde,
a rí owó
aṣẹ́kù sí lọ́wọ́. Ó tó tẹ̀ ṣe ní irú Amẹ́ríkà, wọ́n ń ṣe dé stage tó yẹ pé tí nǹkan kan tó bá ń jáde lórí oko tó bá ń pọ̀ ju bí ó ṣe yẹ nípa storage, wọ́n á sọ pé ìwọ àgbẹ̀ yìí máa ṣàgbẹ̀ lọ́dún yìí, ìwọ produce iye báyìí lọ́dún yìí, ìwọ produce iye tó ti ń pa tẹ́lẹ̀, wọ́n á fún lówó láti cover ìyẹn là ń pè ní subsidy. So ní àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè míì, oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà ti ń fi ní ìjọba ti gbé àgbẹ̀ lẹ́yìn láti máa ṣe àgbẹ̀.
Kóríyá fáwọn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ọ̀ǹtí tí a bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣe yẹn, irú àwọn tó yẹ pé ó lè forí tì tó ń wà níṣẹ́, àwọn nìkan la máa dúró lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Olófìdá ń pé àwọn politician tó lówó púpọ̀ tó bá ti try tó wó òyọ̀ ń bẹ̀, wọ́n kó wọn padà, wọ́n lè lọ́bẹ̀ mọ́. So oríṣiríṣi nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ló wà tó yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe. Subsidy, support fún processing, support fún storage, support fún oríṣiríṣi ló yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe.
A lè sọ tán àti ká máa túbọ̀ tẹ̀lé.
We've only covered like 50-60% of this discussion on because it's a very, very vast topic. Anyway, maybe we have to do a part 2 of this. All the same, we have to thank you so much for coming. Professor Motayo from FUNAB, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Mr. Tosedu, maybe I need to take some tips from you after this program. Let's not about me. Thank you so much. All the same.
Ẹ jẹ́ n fi àkókò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n Akin Ọmọ́táyọ̀ pé gbogbo ìgbà ẹ ń fi mọ ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ẹ fi ń dá wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀. Bákan náà kí n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ọ̀gbẹ́ni Tósìn ẹ̀dùn gbogbo ìgbà náà ẹ ń ṣe kóríyá fún wa ẹ̀ ń bá àwọn ọ̀dọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ wípé iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ àfikà tẹra mọ́ ẹ ṣe púpọ̀ ẹ á máa rí yín bá a ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú lórí ètò ọ̀túnjọ́.
Do you own a small piece of land or a large one? If yes, then get started by growing vegetables, fruits, anything that you can cultivate, harvest, and possibly make money from. We all need to get back to the farm, small scale, mechanized, you name it. Farming, the preferred way to go. Taking full advantage of this endowment.
You don't do. I don't tire for all the things where you dey yarn.
You dey yarn okpata. Shey you think say na only you fit buga? I go show you.
You dey show yourself all these years. I just dey look you. This time you go know the kind person we are.
I been dey watch as you dey try scatter my future.
The future wey I dey try organize for myself, small. Na him you dey try kill, abi?
Na to kill, scatter, and destroy my parole is always the agenda, abi? Oh, but you know, Fito, not this time.
I don't set my own agenda.
I know how way your agenda go fit pass my agenda.
Because my agenda strong past your agenda.
For this election, the agenda now.
It's our future.
No violence.
Just vote.
Set the agenda for this election. No violence, just vote.
Nàìjíríà rere, orúkọ rere jẹ́ mi lógún. Ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere, aṣojú rere dáradára. Ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni mí, ìyípadà tó dára. Látọwọ́ mi ni yóò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwa lọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè rere, tí ṣapá fún gbẹ́kẹ̀lé Nàìjíríà. Ojúṣe mi ni kí Nàìjíríà dára. Bàbá tó rú mi, kí ló fẹ́ fi lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́? Ìyá tó gbàgbé tẹ́lẹ̀ o, lọ́jọ́ ìyá òkè lọ́mọ ó rán. Kádẹ́kun ìwà ìbàjẹ́ lọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ wa torí ilé láti kẹ́sọ̀ rèé Nàìjíríà ó dọ̀wọ́ wa ní. Ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere orúkọ rere jẹ́ mi lógún.
National Orientation Agency pẹ̀lú Federal Ministry of Information and Culture lọ́múkéde ìwá fún yín o.
When men and women get together, beautiful things can happen. I mean government. When we all participate in our government, we create better lives for ourselves and our children. So women, go vote, run for political offices, let your voices be heard, and let us all support women in this. If we don't participate in government, we can't create a beautiful future. So let's create something beautiful together.
ọpẹ́ torí wípé lónìí tó jẹ́ oṣù àkọ́kọ́ èyí tí a rí nínú oṣù kínní ọdún 2019 ẹ ò rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ tiyín ó tọ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tiwa náà nílé iṣẹ́ OGTV ó tọ́pẹ́ ó tún ju ọpẹ́ lọ torí pé gbogbo wa tá a bá ti ń bẹ tá a ti ń bẹ láàyè ọpẹ́ náà ni oúnjẹ rẹ̀. Ọmọ Àríbidó Ògòdó Performing Group àwọn ni a ti gbà lálejò èyí tí ọ̀gbẹ́ni Olúwafẹ́mi Àríbidó tí wọ́n léwájú akó ojúmọ́ gbogbo ilé àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Elédùà ọba tó pa wá mọ́ tó tún wá sọ wípé ká ṣe kí ni o ká fi jó àtayọ̀ ká fi wọnú ọdún tuntun ní pàtàkì oní ọjọ́ ẹ̀ta àkọ́kọ́ nínú oṣù kínní Ògòdó tún lélẹ́yìí o báwo lẹ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ráńpẹ́.
àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run Ọlọ́run ló ń fún ẹ̀dá ṣe kì í ṣe agbára ènìyàn àwa náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí eré ni ṣùgbọ́n àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run lẹ́nu ibi tí ó bá wà dé lórí ẹ̀.
Ògòdó inú Ẹ̀gbá láti máa ń wò wípé àti ń yọ èdè Ẹ̀gbá náà lẹ fi ń kọ́ èdè Ẹ̀gbá olóbí Ògòdó
Ògòdó Ẹ̀gbá
jáde Ògòdó Ẹ̀gbá náà ni ṣùgbọ́n ó ti ń pọ̀ tí ó ti ń rí àwọn tó ń ṣe Ògòdó Jésù wà o Ògòdó Ẹ̀gbá wà Ògòdó Ẹ̀gbá lé ní náà ni àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ìgbà ṣe bí ẹ ṣe ń ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àwọ̀ ẹ̀ jáde.
bí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé Ọlọ́run ló ń bá ẹ̀dá ṣe ohun gbogbo ó kù àwọ̀ wa ó kù díẹ̀ kù jáde àwọ̀ tí ṣe àwọ̀ ó kù díẹ̀ kù jáde pẹ̀lú lágbára Ọlọ́run nínú ọdún tàwa yìí láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà pàápàá
àwọ̀ wa máa jáde. àṣìṣe láṣẹ Èdùmàrè ṣùgbọ́n fáà ń ṣeré káàkiri à ń lọ sọ́tún à ń lọ sósì à ń ṣe ìyàwó à ń ṣe ìkómọ gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni.
pátápátá Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ kò sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe tí wọ́n pè wá sí tí Ọlọ́run kì í ràn wá lọ́wọ́ láti ṣe táwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ máa gbádùn ẹ̀ pé àwọn Ògòdó Ẹ̀gbá rè.
ẹja tẹ̀síwájú torí pé bá a tẹ̀ tí ń gbádùn ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin pàápàá pọ́n kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹ mọ́ wọ̀nyó.
OGTV ọ̀tún lọ́jọ́ ń yọ.
náà ni ohun tó máa gbé wa délé wéran ní pàtàkì bá ti wọ ọdún 2019 yìí ọba òkè kò ní jẹ́ kó ṣe kòríkẹ́ wa àkóbá àdábá a ò ní rí lágbára elédùà tí wọ́n wá jẹ́ wípé a fẹ́ kọ́ iṣẹ́ yìí oníjó yìí tẹ̀ ti wo èmi lára ó ṣe é kọ́ bí.
ó ṣe kọ́.
ó ṣe kọ́.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
yálà gbèdé ẹ̀gbá àbá gbèdé ẹ̀gbá.
pàtẹ́ bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọ́ náà lẹ́tí máa èdè ẹ̀gbá yẹn ẹ máa gbọ́.
a ṣe bírí kó tó awájú ní tiwa lẹ́nu.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
ó dáa àwa tí ẹ fẹ́ ṣèyàwó ni a fẹ́ ṣe ayẹyẹ nọ́mbà tá la máa pè ẹ jù ú.
tá bá fẹ́ ṣe gbogbo ìnáwó tá bá fẹ́ ṣe ẹ lè pe nọ́mbà yìí 081 62 51 2476.
lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
081 62 51 2476.
ṣe káwá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ìgbìmọ̀ àti gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ti wá kópa lórí ètò yìí tí a mọ̀ sí ọmọ àríbidó ògòdó performing group ṣe ni ká pè yín wípé ẹ ṣeun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ojú gbogbo wa máa rọ́dún o kádúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ oníyàn kádúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́bẹ̀ kádúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwa tá a ti jọ jẹ ìgbádùn ètò ọ̀tọ́jọ́ tòní gbogbo àwọn ayàwòrán gbogbo wa náà látúraka nínú ilé níbí gbogbo ẹ̀yẹn lọ́wọ́ bọ́sì mo mọ̀ pé ọwọ́ náà lẹ fi ń jo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń tẹ́ àdúrà mi ní wípé a ò ní fi èyí ṣe àṣemọ́ ọba òkè amúwalá gbogbo ọdún yìí já láṣẹ Ìdùmarè orin náà làwọn máa fi jáde lórí ètò ká tún fòde pàdé ó yá.
àwọn fẹ́ jìrẹ́ o òjijì bì àwọn fẹ́ jìrẹ́ o jẹ́ iná ń fẹ́ tiwa. àwọn fẹ́ jìrẹ́.
adébátí ṣe ń dé láti iléeṣẹ́ wa Now Investment Limited níbi tá a ti ń ṣe ojúlówó anjiyoyo rí ọ̀yọ́ anjiyoyo ọṣẹ ọ̀yọ́ anjiyoyo stainless anjiyoyo powder a tún ṣe oyin gidi níléeṣẹ́ wa a dẹ̀ tún kó fosto food wọlé a tún ṣe ìparun tó dára fún irun wa níléeṣẹ́ wa Now Investment Limited orúkọ ti tèmi ni Adéjọkẹ́ Fatai lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ mo kọ́ fẹ́ sọ nípa anjiyoyo stainless ṣe anjiyoyo stainless yìí ó dáa gidigidi gan fún ẹnu rírùn ṣe tẹ́ bá lo anjiyoyo stainless fún ẹnu tó bá ń rùn ó dáa gidi ẹnu tó ń rùn ní rùn mọ́ ẹ ṣàkọrọra mú anjiyoyo stainless ẹ kọrọra kan sẹ́nu tẹ́ bá ti kan sẹ́nu fún 5 minutes ètò ẹnu yìí dànù in fact ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ ni kò ní sí pé bí ẹnu yín rùn ṣe tí wọ́n stainless iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ dáa débi pé fún jomijomi ọwọ́ ni jomijomi ẹsẹ̀ ẹ lọ́mọbìnrin mi ẹ rí gbogbo ìkáwọ́ wa báyìí dídí ti pé aṣọ fífọ̀ èékánná á ti brown á ti pọ́n mo wà lọ́wọ́ kí ló dé tẹ̀ jẹ́ ká lo anjiyoyo stainless ká máa kan sí ẹ rí pé jomijomi ọwọ́ ká tó lò fọ́jọ́ méjì jomijomi ọwọ́ yẹn ó máa sá lọ ni ó tún dáa fún káàyàn ẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ń lo anjiyoyo stainless fún káàyàn ẹsẹ̀ gbogbo ohun tó ń jẹ́ káàyàn lẹ́sẹ̀ yín ó máa sá lọ ni ẹ̀rẹ́ lómi báyìí gbogbo àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ báyìí tó bá tẹ́lẹ̀ bá wọ ṣù tó bá bọ́ ṣù lẹ̀ ẹsẹ̀ á máa rùn kí ló dé tó lo anjiyoyo stainless kó bù sómi kó fi fọ ẹsẹ̀ wàá rí pé lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ méjì káàyàn ẹsẹ̀ ó máa sá lọ ni ṣé tó anjiyoyo stainless iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ dáa gan fún àwọn àyà lọ́mọ tó ṣe pé a máa ń fún ọmọ ní ọmú tó wọn bá gé wa jẹ tó já wa jẹ ẹ jẹ́ ká mú anjiyoyo stainless ká fi sínú òwú ká fi sí tá a bá fi sí ṣe lójú ọgbẹ́ yẹn ṣe ló máa gbẹ anjiyoyo stainless ó tún dáa fún àwọn àyà lọ́mọ ẹ mọ̀ pásìkò ẹdí la wà àwọn ọmọ wa ti ṣeré wọn fara yílẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká mú anjiyoyo stainless ká pù sínú omi ká fi ṣọ́ra fún àwọn ọmọ wa irú kòkòrò tó yẹ káwọn ọmọ kọ́ lè contaminate níbi ara tó ti fara yílẹ̀ tó ti fara ṣeré pa kò ní sí kòkòrò lára ọmọ anjiyoyo stainless ó tún dáa gidi gan iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ dáa débi wípé tí àwa tó yẹ pé àtọkùnrin àti obìnrin kò sí tá a lè ṣe gá sí tá a bá ti ṣe gá tá a bá ti délé ẹ jẹ́ ká bu anjiyoyo stainless ká bù sínú omi ká fi fọ ara wa ẹ rí pé á dènà àrùn oríṣiríṣi lára wa iṣẹ́ stainless dáa gan-an mi ò lè kà á tán stainless tún dáa fún àwọn tó ṣe pé bí a nífo lára ni ẹlòmíì ẹ mọ̀ àwọn tó ti lo bíi cream tó ṣe pé ifo cream ó máa wà lára wa ẹ jẹ́ ká mú anjiyoyo stainless yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi pàgùn tá a bá ti rí ifo ní ara wa ẹ rí pé kó tó tọ́jọ́ méjì ifo yẹn máa sá lọ ni iṣẹ́ stainless pọ̀ gan o ó dáa fún ẹ̀gbọ̀nrín kò tó wà lórí ọmọ kékeré ìwọ̀n táwọn èèyàn tá à ń pè é lápàlápà ẹ jẹ́ ká mú ojú lápàlápà yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká mú ká bò tá a bá ti bò ẹ jẹ́ ká fi stainless ká fi sí i láàrin ọjọ́ méjì lápàlápà yẹn ó máa sá lọ ni iṣẹ́ stainless pọ̀ gan-an mi ò lè kà á tán tí má ní kí n máa kà láti ní ìlọ́dọ̀ ilẹ̀ aṣú ilẹ̀ àmọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ra stainless kẹjẹ ká ní lọ́wọ́ ńlé àwa lábẹ́ àmọ́ ẹ ká ní stainless ilé àti sisi àtọkùnrin àti obì ó tún dáa fún after shave àwọn tó ṣe pé a máa lọ sí salon a máa lọ gẹrun wa tẹ́lẹ̀kúta bá débi tá a ti lọ gẹrun clipper tó fi ń gẹrun fún ọkùnrin mi wọ́n sterilize gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe mọ̀ wọ́n á fi gẹrun fún Táyé wọ́n á fi gẹrun fún Kẹ́hìndé tá a bá ti délé ẹ jẹ́ ká mú stainless ká bù sínú omi ká fi pa ibi tá a ti mọ̀ pa á ti lọ shave ó dáa fún àgbọ̀n àwọn ọkùnrin tẹ́ pé gbọ̀n wọn máa ń so tó bá ti rí pé gbọ̀n wa so tàbí ẹ̀yìn ọrùn wa ló so táwọn olóyìnbó pè ní keloid ẹ jẹ́ ká délé ká kọ̀ra mú ojú ibi tó so yẹ ká kọ̀ra mú ká kọ̀ra fi blade ha ká mú stainless ká fi pa tá a bá fi pa ṣe ni gbogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe ló máa gbẹ tó máa sá lọ ó tún dáa fún àwọn tó ṣe yí pé àwọn ọlọ́mọbìnrin tá a máa lọ sọ́lọ̀ tá a lọ ṣerun ẹlòmíì tó bá ya irun ẹ̀ báyìí irun ẹ̀ máa tú mọ́ kó mú ni kí ló dé tó mú stainless kó bù sómi kó fi fọ irun yẹn kò ní í já mọ́ ó máa stop ni iṣẹ́ stainless dáa gan o tí n bá ní máa kà látàárọ̀ ṣúlẹ̀ ilẹ̀ aṣú ilẹ̀ àmọ́ lẹ́yìn eléyìí mo ti wá fẹ́ sọ nípa Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ yìí dáa gan fún àwọn àyà lọ́mọ ká máa fẹ́ pọ̀ ọmọ wa lára ọmọ tó bá ń lo Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ ara ẹ̀ á máa dán á máa jọ̀lọ̀ kò ní sí pé kòkòrò lára ọmọ ó dáa fún àyà lọ́mọ táwọn sọmọ lọ́wọ́ tó ṣe wípé tá a bá tú dápà nídìí ọmọ wa ẹ jẹ́ ká mú Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ yìí ká fi pa ìdí ọmọ wa ọmọ tẹ́ bá ń lo Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ fún ara ẹ̀ máa dán ni ìdí ẹ̀ máa dán kò ní sí kòkòrò kan ní ìdí ọmọ Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ yìí iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ pọ̀ ó tún wá dáa fún ara ríro tó ṣe yí pé àwọn àyà tó ṣe pé a bá ti lọ sọ́jà tá a bá dé a máa complain ẹ̀yìn ló ń ro mí ẹsẹ̀ ló ń ro mí ẹ ká máa yọ orí ọ̀yọ́ ká fẹ́ wọ́ gbogbo táwọn tó máa ń ro wá lára ẹ rí pé ara wa tò ara wa nà Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ iṣẹ́ ìtúpọ̀ ó dáa fún òtútù àyà fún àwọn tá a ná arúgbó ńlé tó ṣe pé arúgbó mi a máa complain a máa pariwo orúnkún lè ní orúnkún lọ́la ìtàn olóyìnbó tá a mọ̀ pé tó ń pè ní arthritis ẹ jẹ́ ká ara Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ fún àwọn arúgbó wa kó máa fi wọ́ ara ẹ rí i pé ara ríro yẹn á stop arúgbó wa á yẹ complain pé orúnkún romí lẹ́nìí orúnkún romí lọ́la Angie Oyo orí ọ̀yọ́ iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ pọ̀ mi ò lè kà á tán ṣé wọ́n ti wá ní Angie Oyo ọṣẹ ọ̀yọ́ apilẹ̀ ṣé ni o ìyẹn tiẹ̀ ti wá pín sọ́nà méjì àpè kan ní sensation yìí ó dáa fún àwa tá a bá pupa tó ṣe pé àwọ̀ pupa la ní fún irúfẹ́ àwọ̀ pupa ni tá a bá ń lo Angie Oyo sensation tá a fi ń wẹ̀ ẹ rí i pé á dènà ọ̀fọ̀ ni o kòkòrò ni o tó wù kó lè fẹ́ wà lára wa á dènà ẹ̀ ni ká máa fi Angie Oyo sensation ká máa fi wẹ̀ àwa tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn pupa ni wá ṣé tí àtàwa dúdú antiseptics yẹn ló dáa fún wa tá a bá ń lo Angie Oyo ọṣẹ ọ̀yọ́ fún tó jẹ́ antiseptics fún àwa irúfẹ́ àwọ̀ dúdú ẹ rí i pé ara wa máa dán á máa jọ̀lọ̀ kò ní sí pé bí akókòrò mú wa kò ní sí fo kò ní sí èlà mo tún wá fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Angie Oyo powder ṣé Angie Oyo powder apilẹ̀ ṣe ní nílé iṣẹ́ wa Now Investment Limited Angie Oyo powder yìí ó ní òsùn nínú ó tún ní mentholatum nínú tó ṣe yí pé tá a bá ń fi pa àwọn ọmọ wa ní ara wa ìyá lọ́mọ ẹ jẹ́ ká ní Angie Oyo powder ó dáa gan ni fún ara ọmọ tó bá sùn ní fún àlè fún ara ọmọ ni ẹ jẹ́ ká mú Angie Oyo powder yìí ká fi sí ara wa kò tún wá ṣe pé mentholatum nìkan ó tún ní saint ṣe pé tẹ́ bá fi sí ara báyìí ara yá tún máa ta sánsán Angie Oyo powder yìí tá a ṣe nílé iṣẹ́ àtẹ́wé pé ó ní òsùn nínú kò ṣe òsùn nìkan mentholatum tó wà nínú ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá fi sí ara á jẹ́ kára yìí kó ra máa ṣe rẹ́súrẹ́sú lẹ́yìn eléyìí lẹ́yìn Angie Oyo powder yìí a tún wá ní Angie Oyo ear cream nílé iṣẹ́ àṣẹ apilẹ̀ ṣé ni o àṣẹ ṣé ni ṣé ẹ rí Angie Oyo ear cream yìí ohun tó ń jẹ́ aba ear cream ni kò sírú ẹ̀ tó ṣe pé tẹ́ bá fi ń pa irun yín á dènà irun jíjá torí oríṣiríṣi èròjà la kó sínú ẹ̀ ó ní shea butter nínú ó ní coconut oil nínú ó ní carrot oil nínú ó ní olive oil nínú ó ní garlic oil nínú oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló wà nínú ẹ̀ kódà onion oil ó wà nínú ẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n ní Angie Oyo aba hair cream tá a ṣe nílé iṣẹ́ Now Investment Limited ó dáa gan ni ká máa fi àṣẹ ṣé ni ká máa fi pa irun wa yẹn pàṣẹ polówó ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́ pé ẹ̀kọ́ ojú lọ́nà fún ó dẹ̀ ti wá dé báyìí ẹ máa lo aba hair cream Angie Oyo ó dáa gidigidi gan ni fún àwa sisi tá a bá ń type à ń ṣerun wa tá a bá fi ń pa irun wa ẹni pé irun wa máa dán á máa jọ̀lọ̀ fún àwọn tá a bá ń dirun tàbí àwa tẹ́ pé à ń ṣe irúfẹ́ irun oríṣiríṣi ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi Angie Oyo aba hair cream ká máa fi pa irun wa á máa dán á máa jọ̀lọ̀ á dùn ún wò lójú lẹ́yìn eléyìí a tún ṣe fosto food nílé iṣẹ́ wa ṣáà ní fosto food à ń kó wọlé ni ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn àgbẹ̀ ni ó dáa gidigidi gan ni fún ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀ a ti sọ títí ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀ a sọ pé kẹ́kọ́ra yín jọ kẹ́kọ́ra yín pọ̀ because àtòrí pé kí ni à ń ṣe ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún àwọn àgbẹ̀ nílé iṣẹ́ wa ẹ̀kọ́ra yín jọ kẹ́pẹ̀ sórí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ wa 08033331056 tàbí kẹ́pẹ́ sórí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ 08088441414 kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ra yín jọ kẹ́ wá fún ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ torí pé kí ni tẹ́ bá máa ń jíyoyo tẹ́ bá lo anjiyoyo fosto food tá à ń ṣe níléeṣẹ́ anjiyoyo ni o tẹ́ bá lo fosto food wa ó dáa gidigidi gan ni o fún àwa tó ṣe yí pé a fẹ́ gbin òdòdó sí àyíká wa ẹ jẹ́ ká lo fosto food ó dáa gidi ká fi gbin òdòdó sí àyíká wa arẹwà ó dáa fún àwọn tó ṣe yí pé a fi ń gbin òdòdó sí ilé ìjọsìn wa ni yálà ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tàbí ní ilé ìtura fosto food wa ó dáa gidigidi gan ni ṣé ẹlẹ́yìn àgbẹ̀ ayọ̀ pásìkò òjò la wà yìí a ní kẹ́kọ́ra yín jẹ kẹ́kọ́ra yín pọ̀ kẹ́ wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ wa ká gba ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ká ṣe ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa lo fosto food torí kọ́tà fosto food wa gbìn tẹ́ bá fi fosto food wa gbìn kankan á fún yín ní ìlọ́po lọ́nà mẹ́ta kò ń ṣe pé tẹnu o àfitan a tún ní oyin gidi ní iléeṣẹ́ wa ǹjẹ́ tẹ́ bá fi wá dòwò pọ̀ ẹ lọ sí shop 14 ìjẹjà shopping complex tàbí kẹ́pọ̀ sí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé 08033331056 tàbí 08088441414 ṣé wọ́n rẹ̀ tẹ́ bá àdòwò pọ̀ ẹ lọ sí Precious Pharmacy ní Ìbàrà tàbí kẹ́ lọ sí Dimo ní Ìbàrà tàbí Ìdẹ̀ra Pharmacy ẹ rí àwọn ọjà wa rà níbẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá wà ní Èkó ẹ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Falscas Enterprise Nigeria Limited ní Lagos Island ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Òṣòdì ẹ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ lọ sí ní Òṣòdì ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Òṣòdì ẹ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Commando ní Òṣòdì ẹ rí ní Òṣòdì ní Bọ́ládé ni o ní Commando Enterprise Nigeria Limited ẹ rí wọn ní Òṣòdì tàbí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Èrúwà kẹ́ lọ sí poli ní Èrúwà ní Ezekiel Business Venture tàbí kẹ́ pèsè ọ̀rọ̀ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ wọn bẹ̀ ní 08079688470 ẹ lọ síbẹ̀ kẹ́ lọ pè tàbí kẹ́ pè wọ́n sí ọ̀rọ̀ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ 08079683847 ìyẹn ní Èrúwà ní Ìbàràpá poli tẹ́ bá fi bá ara ọjà wa ní tẹ́ bá ara ọjà wa ní Ìbàdàn ẹ lọ sí Solocard ní Ògùnpá ní Ìbàdàn tàbí kẹ́ ẹ lọ sí Jostaco ní Ògùnpá ní Ìbàdàn tàbí ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá rúùtù ní ọjà ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ rí àwọn ọjà wa rà ń bẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ tẹ́ bá tẹ́ bá ara ọjà wa ní Ifọ̀ ní tẹlifíṣàn alájà agrichemical nìyẹn ní inú ọjà Ifọ̀ ẹ rí ń bẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ tún pè wá sí ọ̀rọ̀ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ wa 08033331056 tàbí 08088441414 lórí fosto food ni mo ṣe ń sọ pa èyí o fosto food wa ó dáa gidi gan ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀ ni ẹ máa lo fosto food wa tẹ́ ẹ bá ń lo ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀ tẹ́ bá fi gbìn nǹkan kan ìlọ́po ló máa mú wá fún yín stainless náà ẹ ra stainless wa ní ọ̀pọ̀ yanturu ẹ bá ra stainless wa tẹ́ bá ń lo stainless wa ẹ rí i pé ó dáa gan-an ni fún ẹnu rúrùn gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo sọ lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ fún ẹnu rúrùn fún jomijomi ọwọ́ jomijomi ẹsẹ̀ ìyẹn níṣẹ́ stainless orí ọ̀yọ́ ó dáa gidigidi gan fún àwọn ọkùnrin tó ṣe yí pé a bá lọ ṣèfù ó dáa gidi ká mú stainless ká bù sínú omi ká fi pa gbogbo tá a bá mọ̀ pé a ti ṣèfù ní ara wa ẹ rí pé á dènà kòkòrò àti àrùn yòówù ká lè fẹ́ kó níbi tá a ti lọ gẹ irun tàbí tá a ti lọ lo nǹkan tó ṣe yí pé ọ̀pọ̀ èrò ló ń lò lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo fẹ́ sọ fún yín níléeṣẹ́ náà investment limited pé Aba hair cream ṣàgbéjáde níléeṣẹ́ wa ó dáa gidi gan ni o kẹ́ ẹ lọ máa bá wa rà á ó dáa gidi fún àwọn tó ṣe pé irun wa bá ń já ẹ ká lọ ra Aba anjiyoyo hair cream àpilẹ̀ ṣe nítorí èròjà oríṣiríṣi la kó sínú ẹ̀ ẹ bá wa rà lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí orúkọ ti tèmi ní Adéjọkẹ́ Fatai ó dàbọ̀.